Morning YouTube, it's Monday, the day after St. Patrick's Day weekend. How many of you are hungover? I don't drink. Revitalize yourself, get ready to put in for a productive day. Check this out. So I ordered a weather strip kit from eBay, and I was okay with the moldings and the door seals. But they came with belt strips, and the belt strips are just the material. And what they want you to do, they want you to unrivet the felt and the belt strip from your original equipment piece. Years ago, I did order precision belt strips from another vendor, and I never opened the box, and I actually found them and opened the box. And these were a better alternative. They come with everything already pre-mounted to it. It's just like the OEM. So, I mean, if you're up for trying to recondition your old belt strip framework, the outer piece is tethered on this. That might be part of this here. Oh, it is part of that. That's a lot of work to do, just to do the felt and the rubber on your old material. You're better off just buying a whole brand new piece here, and I'm glad that I have them in stock. It's just so much better. So the eBay stuff, you're gonna do a lot more work to recondition your weather strip on your belt strip. Just buy the ones already done with everything on it. Thanks for watching.